Hi guys, today we have with us Tushar. Tushar, today's journey we want to talk about your story from Narsimonji to IIT Kharagpur, Narsimonji and IIT Kharagpur. So how you prepared this and that. So let's start with your background first. Where are you from, and then how have been your journey? CAT कब आया, MBA कब आया दिमाग में?
Right. So first of all, I hope that everyone is safe in this pandemic scenario. So please do take care of ourselves. And talking about MBA, so मेरा journey कुछ ऐसा है, like I am an engineer like most of you. So after joining a job, जब मेरे को जहाँ पे जाने के बाद पता चला कि MBA करके कुछ होता है and I want to do this, तो तब मेरा journey चालू हुआ. So the story started 2 years ago. And it was then like looking after your videos sir only, my friend suggested कि राव sir है so look at, तो मैंने आपके videos देखे, then I followed your 9 p.m. show, now it is 10 p.m. show, the morning motivation and stuff, and yeah I was like yes अभी तो करना ही करना है, and my whole journey began. So what happened was in 2019 CAT, uh, I scored a 90 percentile, and वहाँ पे क्या हुआ कि मेरा sectional नहीं निकला. I had call from SPGen profile based. This year around, I also had a call from SPGen, but this year the paper was nightmare. So yes, I couldn't ace on it. But fortunately, एक बुरा दिन होता है, but ऐसा नहीं होता है कि वो repeat होते रहेगा, right? So the day for me was NMIMS. So I scored a good marks there, 254
How much you
marks,
got? 254.
right? Sir.
Okay, you had NMET before CAT.
No, sir. I actually जब कैट बिगड़ गया था, so I was fully depressed. But NMAT क्या होता है कि आपको chance देता है. You can give paper 2 times or
Two, three
three
times.
times, right?
Right.
So in second attempt, I scored 254. In first attempt, I scored about 230. I talked to you and you were like, yeah, go for the another attempt. So I scored 254. And yes,
Okay,
thanks
let's
to
talk
you,
about
sir,
the
basically.
superb. Let's talk about the NMET exam. So, of course, you can't bank everything on the CAT exam because CAT can go wrong. Anything can happen on the exam day. And like you said, if you feel bad in the CAT exam, you have no other hope. And all the exams you have to feel earlier. So, NMET का आपने क्या सोच के अप्लाई किया था एनमेट के बाद एनमेट कब दिया था फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट कब दिया था सेकंड अटेम्प्ट कब दिया था
So, sir, what happens is, like, मैं जो journey से गया हूँ. So, at the end of the day, it is about converting one college, one good college, right? And if you convert that one good college, you are done. So, it can be any good IM or any good other preschool. So, yes, I thought on that basis कि yes, चलो अगर मेरा IM नहीं होता है, so I will have for backup this NMIMS. So yes, this all happened, and मैंने schedule कैसे किया था? So it is good. It is always better to schedule an NMAT exam prior to your CAT exam, right? 2 weeks before or 3 weeks before. उससे क्या होता है कि आपको अपने prepare, आप कितने prepared हो उसका काफी idea हो जाता है. And once you are done, आपको score 24 hours में मिल जाता है. That is the best thing again. So आप प्लान कर सकते हो उसके बाद आप अपने मेंटर से डिस्कस कर सकते हो कि आपको अटेम्प्ट लेना चाहिए नहीं लेना चाहिए या फिर आप कितना मार्क्स शॉर्ट हो एंड देन यू कैन प्लान इट अकॉर्डिंगली आफ्टर कैट एग्जाम बिकॉज कैट के बाद बाकी एग्जाम होते हैं इट मे बी जैट स्नैप वगैरह सब वो एक सीक्वेंस में आती है तो यू गेट अ एम्पल टाइम टू डिसाइड व्हेन एंड वेयर टू गिव योर एग्जाम.
right so you gave the first attempt before cat and when was that you remember approximate date november october
Sir, I don't remember the date, but it was approximately 3 weeks before
3 weeks
the
before
CAT.
cat exam.
Right.
Superb. So let's assume anyone want to give the exam now. So November first week is a good time to give NMAT. Then you get 3 weeks ka time for the CAT exam. So to give your CAT exam. Then again, second attempt in case you're scoring less, then we need a second attempt probably in December. And apart from this, which other exam you took?
Sir, I took Snap. I
Snap.
scored 97 point something. So 98 was the cutoff. So yeah, little disheartening. Okay.
ग्रेट ग्रेट वो यार चंद्रमुखी हो या पारो की फर्क पैंदा है तुम अपनी तरफ से एग्जाम दे दो देन यू क्रैक
Right.
कैट यू क्रैक स्नैप यू क्रैक एनमेट दैट ऑल डिपेंड ऑन लक. Okay,
Right.
so NMAT you got 255, 254,
Four.
224, superb. So then uh, GD पे हुआ, you cracked the interview for both of them, so IIT Kharagpur
Yes.
and NMIMS. So anything happened in the interview where you might have been grilled or they liked something you might have said, any incident you want to share?
Yes, sir. This is a very interesting thing actually which happened with me. होता है क्या इंटरव्यूज में आपको ये नहीं देखते आपका नॉलेज कितना है, एक्चुअली दे ट्राई टू सी लाइक व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन यू आर, राइट? So like I was working for a startup after just after this my CAT exam and all. So they asked me कि अच्छा आप बताओ कि एक स्टार्टअप करने में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें क्या होती है. So मैंने वहाँ पे मेन चीज भूल गया, दैट वाज बिजनेस प्लान. एंड देन ही स्ट्राइक मी बैक कि यार आपने सब बताया बट आपने बिजनेस प्लान मिस कर दिया. एंड वहाँ पे फिर प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड, यू हैव टू बी ऑन योर टोज. आई जस्ट सेड सो दैट इज व्हाई आई वांट टू डू एन MBA, so
Hmm.
that I have a broader idea. And he was like impressed at that very moment that because I have that presence of mind. So what happened was until that moment, the interview was altogether in a different zone. बहुत serious था. And after that, it was all light. So they उसके बाद जो discussion हुआ वो ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि वो actually interview. Right. So you need to be have that presence of mind. You need to be that confident. And yes, it's okay. It's okay. सब हो जाएगा. It will get sorted eventually.
Superb. So, where are you from? Where are you basically from?
Sir, I'm from Nagpur.
From Nagpur. Superb. तो तुषार आपके पास दो ऑप्शन था, इधर यू कम टू मुंबई विच इज अ फिल्म सिटी एंड देन ग्लैमर नारसी मोहनजी which is one of the finest crowd you can get, and second option is going to Kharagpur for
Right.
IT Kharagpur. And which one you choose? Now this might be thoda controversial because I might have to cut this part out because I get the complaints from the college कि आप हमसे compare कैसे कर रहे हो, ये है वो है, but ठीक है, that is part of life. So now I think you might have, because converting, these are the two poles apart. यहाँ तो हो ना कि IIT Delhi and IIT Bombay convert है तो then you उधर भी खाई इधर भी कुआं, दोनों तरफ में कूदना तो है ही. So what made you choose IIT Kharagpur?
Right, sir. So I won't be talking about the cons of each college. I will be talking about the pros. First of all, the pros about NMIMS. NMIMS is the college if you want to be, because वहाँ पे जो crowd होता है, if you are in the top 25% of the crowd, you're sorted. You're sorted for your life. आपको 20 lakhs के ऊपर का package मिलेगा if it is in term of money. अगर
Yeah,
आप
exactly. That's my point as well. कि if you are topper in NMAT, you are getting a package at par with the IIMs.
right,
Yeah, sorry,
definitely.
carry on.
So yeah, so if you are in the top batch, you will be definitely getting there. So apart from that, you have very good programs there, which are different companies offer various leadership programs actually also, right? So if you are getting there, you get GE program, Baker Hughes program. They are these programs are something in which are not offered in some IIMs also, right? So yes, if it is MMAT, I think you should go for MMAT. Not talking about IIT Kharagpur. So the major thing why IIT Kharagpur is famous is its data analytics, the business analytics and consulting portion, right? So many of the people don't know here, but IIT Kharagpur has been offering the micro specialization for uh, the MBA grads, right? So वो एक class apart program है, right? And it is one of the B school which is being counted good for this program, data analytics, business analytics. So yes, my interest lie there, and yes, I want to go there. And also the batch strength is a little on the lower side. So yes,
I think that's the main. In fact, all the ITs have that main advantage. अंदर घुसना tough है, no doubt, but once you enter, life is set.
right, sir.
So you have got through not the main core MBA program, you got through the analytics का program.
No, sir, it is the core MBA
Core
program.
MBA.
In that, if you are in the
Okay.
top list, you will get
Okay. Okay. Within that kind of a specialization, you want to focus mainly on the analytics part.
right, sir.
Then it makes sense going there because see, if you look at the average packages, also is almost same. Narsi Monji and IIT Kharagpur. The major drawback, which I would say, is the batch size, or major advantage I would say is the batch size at IIT Kharagpur. So that
Right,
could be one of the reason कि यार एक बार तुम घुस गए जॉब तो लगना ही है. ठीक है. Now it all depend whether you get the highest package or the average package क्या मिलता है.
right,
ठीक है.
sir.
Whenever the batch size is crossing 500 तो भैया जॉब मिलने का लाले होता है कि भैया जॉब मिलेगी कि नहीं मिलेगी, वो पहली बात है. कुछ भी मिल जाए चलेगा. Right. So
And like, sir,
now,
अभी जो corona भी है, so it's like every day is a cat or an NMAT for that matter. So yeah.
true. Seriously, yeah. So how you're going to now plan now? So like a lot of people have thought about कि MBA नहीं करेंगे because degrees are online, this and that. What made your mind कि नहीं, I have to go for the MBA?
So होता क्या है सर कि लॉट ऑफ पीपल जो ये सब बोलते हैं कि मैं ऑनलाइन एमबीए ऑप्ट करूंगा वगैरह, सो दे आर नॉट, आई थिंक दे आर ऑन द फ्रेशर साइड, दे हैव एक्सपीरियंस लेस देन एन ईयर और सो. आई अर्ज देम कि look at it in a broader aspect. Don't think कि एक साल बाद क्या होगा, 2 साल बाद क्या होगा, राइट? थिंक 5 years डाउन द लेन कि आप 5 साल बाद कहाँ रहोगे, आपका पैकेज क्या होगा या फिर आपकी लाइफस्टाइल क्या होगी. सो थिंक अपॉन दैट बेसिस. आपका एग्जाम्पल सर फॉर दैट मैटर, we all know your story sir, so it is great, right? So focus on that things, not on the short term aspects, because short term आपको 1-2 साल फर्दर करेगा, बट जो लॉन्ग टर्म एस्पेक्ट्स है आपको पूरा लाइफ के साथ आपको ये करेगा.
True, true, true. True. Superb, superb. So Tushar, how CK helped you in this story? How in this journey?
Yes sir. So my major thing was I was very कि मुझे करना ही करना है. I was topper in my undergrad and everything. But what happened was I was broke when I scored 90 percentile. So होता क्या है कि for open candidates, it's like अगर तुम 90 भी score कर रहे हो तो it won't matter much. It is like 90 to 100. If you score in between there, तो आपको कुछ मिलेगा. So yes, I was broke. Then I used to see your videos, the morning motivation, which actually helped me boost. Ki, "Acha, chalo, I have something to go for." Okay. And then yes, you have very fantastic series of videos, like the G strategy videos, and I opted for your courses also. So yeah, they helped me. The mocks, the mocks. I want to talk about the mocks especially. अगर कोई भी prepare कर रहा होगा, so do take the mocks. बिकॉज होता क्या है कि एंड ऑल्सो द एस्पेक्ट अबाउट हाउ टू डू मॉक्स, बिकॉज लोगों को क्या लगता है कि मॉक दे दो हो गया. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता. आप मॉक्स दो, आप सही क्वेश्चन कर रहे हो वो भी देखो कि उसके लिए कोई अल्टरनेट अप्रोच है क्या, आपसे कोई बेटर अप्रोच है क्या, स्टडी दैट, राइट? राइट इट डाउन. राइटिंग डाउन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर आप कुछ क्वेश्चन गलत कर रहे हो तो आप वहां पे खुद को चेक करो कि आप कहाँ गलत कर रहे हो, राइट? उसका नोट्स बनाओ. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, अगर जब आपके पास 2 वीक्स बचते, 3 वीक्स बचते, तो ये जो आप नोट्स बनाओगे ना, यही आपको बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प करेगी.
True, very
सो
true, very
नोट
true.
मेकिंग एंड मॉक गिविंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मेंटेन एक्सेल शीट या फिर कुछ भी पेपर में लिखते जाओ अपना स्कोर, एंड यू विल ऑटोमेटिकली सी कि अच्छा आई एम इम्प्रूविंग, right? I was like, I started from 80%, 75 percentile actually in mocks, and I ended up scoring 95, 96 percentile. So yes, it is a good habit.
Exactly, यार मेहनत. See, I say one thing always कि कर्म करो, फल की इच्छा मत 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 करो. We expect the results to go up overnight. कि 2 मॉक दिया, चार मॉक दिया, मेरा 90 आना ही चाहिए. And they start losing hope. And that I
मैंने
think
खुद
that's very
35
important.
मार्क्स दिए सर, तब जाके मेरा 90
Sir,
लग रहा है.
25,
35.
35 मॉक्स. Oh my God, 35 मॉक्स के बाद जाके 90 टच हुआ.
Yes sir.
Super. And you left your job. You are still working while you're.
Sir, I left my job and I'm currently with a startup. So,
Okay, now this is one question I want to ask you, because a lot of people ना, they don't want to take one more year drop कि वो इधर लिख दिया जाएगा कि तू repeater है, तू failure है, this and that, and they compromise with a छोटा मोटा college. What advice, number one, how you come up with that? Of course you might be feeling the same up and downs as well. There will be time when तो घर वाले support किया, कैसे हुआ? So what was your going through your mind when you were going to repeat?
first of all, trust me when I say this. Once you get into the college, आपने कितना ड्रॉप लिया आपसे कंपनी नहीं पूछने वाली, राइट? आपको सिर्फ वो इंटरव्यू में जस्टिफाई करना है व्हेन यू आर गेटिंग इनटू द कॉलेज. एंड इफ यू जस्टिफाई इट वेल, आपको वहां पे भी कोई काउंटर क्वेश्चन नहीं है. सो इट इज ओके. लाइक अगर आपको कुछ छोटा कॉलेज मिल रहा है, देन यू शुड गिव एन ईयर, बिकॉज वो आपका वेस्ट नहीं जाएगा, राइट? आप जो प्रिपेयर करोगे, आपका जो बेस बनेगा, वो आपको एमबीए में भी हेल्प करने वाला. देयर आर कंपनीज व्हिच आल्सो आस्क फॉर एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट एंड स्टफ, right? I know some companies, but I won't be naming them. But yeah, so you need to be that prepared. You need to be. आप कोई भी कॉलेज में जाओ, but as I said, आप 1 साल 2 साल डाउन कर देखो पिक्चर, आप 5 से 6 साल डाउन देखो, बिकॉज वही आपको अच्छा आइडिया देगा, राइट? शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स आर लाइक कि चलो अचीव कर लिया, फिर आगे क्या? बट लॉन्ग टर्म गोल इज लाइक
True.
कि I am destined to do that. So yeah, that will give you motivation. And one more thing, I used to get depressed very easily. तो मैं हमेशा एक चीज करता था, आई ऑलवेज रिमेम्बर्ड व्हाई आई स्टार्टेड, द रीजन व्हाई आई स्टार्टेड. सो जब भी आपको ये पॉइंट आए कि यार मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ, हमेशा ये सोचना कि मैंने स्टार्ट क्यों किया था, वेयर आई वांटेड टू सी माई सेल्फ, राइट. सो या दैट्स.
Super, super. Last question which I would say यार, being from Nagpur और जेबी के ख्वाब ना देखे हो नहीं सकता है.
नहीं सर, देखे, डेफिनेटली देखे सर.
So what is the plan? You going to give CET also, or you are?
आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ सर, बिकॉज लास्ट ईयर आई स्कोर्ड 97 पॉइंट समथिंग.
ओके, मैं लिख के आता हूँ, अनलेस सीटी डिले हो जाता है बहुत ज्यादा तो बात अलग है, अदरवाइज ये भाई सीटी देगा ही देगा. नागपुर का बच्चा जेबी के बारे में छह ख्वाब. आई हैव अ स्टूडेंट लास्ट ईयर था, ही कन्वर्टेड वन ऑफ द मेन आईएम्स, या आईएम लखनऊ के, इंदौर उसका हो गया था, फिर भी सारा सीटी दे रहा है. नहीं सर, वहां पे लिस्ट में नाम देख के छोड़ूंगा मैं.
जेबी तो वो होता है ना सर, वो फर्स्ट लव तो जेबी होता है.
Seriously. True. So great, yeah. Thank you very much, Tushar, for coming online. And these are the small things which, now it might not be that everything you said will be helpful for everyone, but आपकी पूरी स्टोरी में से एक लाइन भी किसी को पसंद आ गया, या something they can use in their journey for preparation, I think that will be creating a very good help. So thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Also, please be consistent, be safe, and please spend time with your family. ये बहुत important है. And thank you, sir. It was all because of you that I was able to reach so far.
Thank you. It's all your hard work. It's all your hard work. Bye.
Bye.